AI taking over classic computer games. Picture this: the world of classic computer games is in the midst of an exciting transformation, and at the heart of this transformation is none other than artificial intelligence or AI. In just the past few years, AI has made some incredible strides in various fields, and one of its shining achievements has been in the world of gaming. I mean, we're talking about everything from the timeless classic like chess and Go to more modern game marvels like Dota 2 and StarCraft 2. It's almost like AI has raised its hand and said, "Hey, I'm here to play too." But this development isn't without its mixed emotion among gamers. Some are super stoked, while others are a tad apprehensive. So, in this chat, we're diving headfirst into the ever growing impact of AI in classic computer games. We'll explore how it's shaking up gameplay, and we'll also take a peek at what this could mean for the future of gaming. AI in classic games, a brief history. Believe it or not, AI and classic computer games have quite a history together. Picture this. It's the 1950s and 1960s, and researchers are dabbling with AI algorithms to play chess. It's like AI's first shot at showing off its smarts. There was this chess program called IBM's Deep Thought that stole the show. It made headlines for taking on top human chess players. But here's the twist. AI didn't immediately become the gaming sensation we know today. It took until the late 20th century for AI to really start making waves in classic computer games. So think of those early years as AI's humble beginnings in the gaming world. Now fast forward to 1997, and here's where things get mind-blowing. IBM's Deep Blue, that chess-playing AI we talked about earlier, did something incredible. It actually beat the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Imagine that showdown! It was like a spotlight on AI's potential in games that demand super smart strategies and quick thinking. It was AI saying, "Hey, I'm not just here to play, I'm here to dominate." Guess what? The success of Deep Blue kept going, paving the way for more astonishing advancements in AI gaming, like AI agents tackling classic video games. So in a way, Deep Blue was AI's big break in the gaming world. Now let's fast forward to 2013 when another AI gaming milestone was happening. Picture a team of brainiacs from the University of Alberta's Computer Poker Research Group. They created an AI program called Cepheus. But here's the cool part. Cepheus wasn't your average AI. It could play heads-up limit Texas Hold'em poker like a pro, almost perfectly. Now why is that a big deal? Poker is all about dealing with hidden info and randomness, and that's a real challenge for AI. So Cepheus acing it was like a thumbs-up moment for AI's ability to handle the curveballs that classic computer games throw at it. It was like an AI saying, "I've got this," even when the game gets tricky. The AI revolution in classic computer games. Now fast forward to today, and AI is like the rock star of classic computer games. It's everywhere. Take chess for example. There are AI programs like Stockfish and the absolute sensation AlphaZero, born from the genius minds at DeepMind. AlphaZero did something that left the world in awe. It learned chess from scratch, like starting from square one as a total newbie, and within just a few hours, it was playing chess at a level that's beyond what we humans could ever dream of. It was like AI saying, "I'm not just here to play, I'm here to rule the game." And how did it pull it off? Well, it used a mix of deep learning and reinforcement learning, proving that AI isn't just good at games, it's unbelievably great. So if you ever thought AI was just another player at the table, think again. It's the one rewriting the rulebook. Now let's shift gears a bit and check out how AI has been using a steer in different games genres. Real-time strategy games like StarCraft 2 have turned into battlegrounds for AI development. In 2019, DeepMind's AlphaStar made history for being the first AI to beat a pro-human player in a StarCraft 2 match. There's no small feat, considering these games demand lightning-fast decisions and complex strategies. It's like AI saying, "I'm not just about chess, I can handle the chaos of real-time battles too." But hold on, there's more to the story. AI didn't stop there. It jumped into classic video games, the kind you'd find on an old-school Atari 2600. Games like Breakout and Pac-Man get a taste of AI genius. OpenAI's DQN, or DeepQ network, made a big splash by outperforming humans in various Atari games. It's pretty mind-boggling when you think about it. AI adapting and learning to conquer classic games that have been around forever. But AI's ambition didn't stop at the classics. It decided to show off in more recent titles like Dota 2 and League of Legends. In these games, AI has been used to create bots that can seriously compete at a high level. OpenAI's Dota 2 bot, known as OpenAI 5, even faced off against professional players and wowed everyone with its teamwork and coordination. So whether it's old school classics or the latest gaming sensations, AI is proving it's got the skills to keep up with the best of them. The impact on gameplay. Let's talk about how AI is giving classic computer games a real boost, making things awesome for both us players and the smart folks behind the scenes. First up, AI is cranking up the challenge in single-player modes. Picture this: adaptable AI opponents that adjust to your skill level, keeping things fresh and exciting. It's like having a gaming buddy who knows exactly how to keep you on your toes. But that's not all. If you're new to these classic games, AI-driven tutorials and training modules are your go-to pals. They'll guide you through the learning process, offering personalized tips to help you level up your skills. No more feeling lost or frustrated. AI's got your back. Behind the scenes, AI is doing some serious work. Developers use it to ensure the gameplay is fair and balanced. Think of it like having a referee who makes sure no one's cheating or gaining an unfair advantage. And if you're watching esports or competitive gaming, AI's dynamic camera systems and informative commentary ensure you don't miss a moment of the action. It's like having your own personal sports commentator right in your living room. But here's the best part. AI is also the superhero fighting against cheaters and making sure everyone plays by the rules. It's like the guardian of fair play in the gaming world. And for those who love games with a good story, AI's got it covered too. It tailors the storyline and character interactions based on your choices, creating a gaming experience that's as unique as you are. So whether you're a hardcore gamer or just dipping your toes into classic games, AI is making sure the experience is fantastic, personalized, and fair for everyone. It's like having the ultimate gaming buddy who's always got your back, no matter what game you're playing. Challenges and concerns. AI's infusion into classic computer games brings a mix of magic and challenges. Here's the lowdown. First up, there's concern that as AI gets smarter, it might overshadow the human element in gaming. The unpredictability, creativity, and emotional roller coaster of playing against humans could fade away. Then there's accessibility. Advanced AI can be intimidating for newcomers, leading to frustration and barriers to entry. Ethical concerns kick in, especially in games with microtransactions and loot boxes, where AI can nudge players into spending more, potentially leading to addiction and exploitation. Balancing AI in competitive games is a real tightrope walk for developers. They need to make AI challenging without making the game unbearable. There's also a worry about becoming too dependent on AI, stifling innovation in game design, and limiting gaming variety. Privacy and data concerns come into play when AI collects player data for personalization. So while AI adds sparkle to classic games, we can't ignore these challenges and ethical questions. It's like having a cool gadget with a few kinks. We need to be cautious and responsible as AI continues shaping the gaming world. The future of AI in classic computer games. The future of AI in classic computer games looks pretty exciting, but it's not all smooth sailing. Here's a quick peek into what's coming and what we need to keep in mind. AI is going to be a big deal in game development. It'll help create more mind-blowing environments, super realistic characters, and gameplay that feels like it's right out of a sci-fi movie. Plus, AI tools will make building huge game worlds and stories way easier, so we can expect even more epic adventures. Personalized gaming is on the horizon. AI will know us so well, it can tailor our gaming experiences to fit us like a glove. It'll adapt challenges and stories based on what we like and how good we are at the game. No more one-size-fits-all gaming. Esports is getting an AI makeover too. AI bots and analysis tool will be the secret weapons of pro players, and they'll make watching competitive gaming even more thrilling. But there's a but. We've got to watch out for some ethical stuff, like addiction, privacy, and fairness. These are real concerns that developers and policymakers need to tackle as AI takes over. Finding the right balance between AI challenges and human creativity will be like a walking tightrope for game designers. We want AI to help, not take over completely. And hey, If you're new to classic games, AA will be there to give you a helping hand with tutorials and training modules. Learning will be a breeze. Lastly, as virtual reality and augmented reality get crazier, AI will make our gaming experiences even more immersive. It's like stepping into a whole new world. So there you have it. AI is the future of classic computer games. And it's going to be a wild ride with a bit of responsibility and some careful thinking. We can make sure it's a fun and fantastic journey. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. Until next time!